Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Ecwid for beginners in 2024. So Ecwid, first of all, is a powerful e-commerce platform that will allow you to create an online store very quickly and very easy. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to get started using Ecwid for beginners. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this if you want. Once you open it, go to their official store. Basically, go to the URL section, type ecwid.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you can simply just go and click on get started for free. If you have an account, by any chance, click on login and make sure to log in into your account. For me, because this video about how to start out, I'll just go and as example, if you have an account, you can even first of all sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. As you can see, I already have an account, I guess, with this account. I'll just make sure so I don't go and create an account with this account. And yeah, it seems like I have an account with this. So I'll just go here and sign out. So basically, I'll just go and start from the beginning. Click on create a new Ecwid account. As you can see, you can fill up your information manually, like your first name, last name, email, and password, or you can use Apple, Facebook, or Google accounts if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. As example, I'll choose here one of my other Google accounts to create a new one. As you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, basically all the information here that should be filled. Google will give those informations like language preferences and profile picture with the Ecwid. You can see the Ecwid privacy policy in terms of service if you want to. Then click on continue if you agree to it, of course. So once I click on continue, I basically did nothing. I did not enter my informations or something like that. They basically just created my account right away for me. I basically did nothing. All I need to do is go through this simple 5 steps. So get ahead and start your store setup. What are your country? Enter that. Then click on next. Then what type of products will you be selling? For me, I'll choose not sure yet. Especially if you're not sure yet, you can select it. If you have specific thing in mind, you can simply select it from here. Of course, if you don't find whatever you're going to sell here, you can click on other and click on next. For me, I'll just do not sure yet and click on next. As an example, the next question. So, do you have a website? No, I don't have, or I already have. If you type I already have as example, what website platform do you use? As example, you'll have to choose one of those if you are using one of those. If you're not using one of those, click on others and please specify the platform. If you're not sure, you can click on I'm not sure. And if you don't have a website, click on I don't have a website. And as you can see, no worries. Just choose an address for your free website. As simple as that. As you can see, choose a web address name that represents your business and is easy to remember, and you can change this address and use your own domain name later. So I'll try to name it here Omex. Let's see if it's available. So it's going to be omex.company.site. Then click on next. As you can see, it's already taken by someone else. So here I'll add another X as an example. Let's see. So yeah, it's not taken. So as you can see, tell us a little more about yourself. This information will be used to assist you with the store setup and will never be shared. What are you planning to use Ecwid for? And do you have experience selling? So if you try, as example, to click on next, you'll be able to if you don't want to answer it, because all those questions for is simply to help you set up your store. As you can see, of course, if you try to go back, as an example, you'll not be able to. So just keep that in mind. If you click on next, you'll not be able to go back. So how would you like to your shop to be? I prefer basic and easy to use system, or do you prefer some specialized system that has a lot of feature for my business needs? Depending on whatever you want. So, an example, I'll just choose the first one for me. Maybe I'm just a beginner yet. I still don't know how to use it, so I'll just go and start with the words first. So, what describe your service preferences best? It's important that cost is as low as possible, or the cost is less important as long as I get the specific service. So, as an example, I just will go with as low as possible. Then click on next. And as you can see, we finished this 5 steps. So now it's time to choose one of the plans that they have. So they have the free. You'll be basically able to launch your website or your business for free. You will have the venture, you'll get all those features. Business, you'll get all these features. And unlimited, you get all these features. Of course, if you want to see all the features by any plan, you can click on see all. And for the free, you can click here on see plans example and see everything about it. If you scroll down, you'll find whatever the free option have. So it has an online store, it has a Facebook advertising, Google, Pinterest, Snapchat, and automated marketing emails. It does not have it. Mobile responsive shopping cart, it has it. As an example, a limited bandwidth, one tap checkouts with Apple Pay and Google Pay, GDPR compliance, sell sites builder, add a store to any website example, sell simultaneously on multiple sites, Facebook Pixel, Snapchat, Google Ads, Pinterest tag as an example. You'll have all of that. Other than that, you'll have the other platforms like WordPress and like Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Joomla, and Rapid Weaver. If you want other stuff as an example, so as you can see, the only like plan that has everything is unlimited. So if you want all of that, basically you'll have to get this. For me, I'll just go and start with the plan or with the free plan. And of course, I'll be able to go and upgrade whenever I want. Of course, this is like the prices here. If you pay annually, if you pay monthly, it's going to be a little bit more. So keep that in mind. So now if you go here to dashboard, basically like we already started using Ecwid, it's now up to you. If you go here to dashboard, as you can see, you'll have some steps that will help you set up your shop. As an example, they give you every step. It has an estimated time. So, for example, this will take from you an estimated of 10 minutes. This will get from you like 5 minutes. This will get from you just 1 minute. This is 5, and simply this is 5. So basically here, they'll tell you to set up your website and storefront. Here, they'll tell you to add your products or services. Here, they'll tell you to review your regional settings, like currency, language settings of your store as an example. And here they'll to choose how to deliver your goods as an example. And here they'll tell you to set up a payments option. As simple as that. If you finish all of that, you will be 100% ready for start or to start selling. As you can see, at the moment, you don't have any statistic about your store. So make sure to first of all finish all those steps up. Then once you do so, it's time to launch your website. And your website, of course, it's going to be this one, like omics.company.site. And you'll basically find it here. If you click on it, they'll get you into it. As you can see here, you'll have to choose like one of the models that you have. I don't know why is that in French, but it's fine at the moment. So as you can see here, you'll find all like the models that you want. You can simply start choosing your themes and etc. And basically, as you can see, if you go here, they'll take you basically to set up your store, the same step. And as you can see, you will be good to use or good to start. After you finish all of that, you should be good to go. So that's all of that depending on your customization. So I'll not go through it. But for me, it's going to be it's for this video for you. I hope you, of course, enjoy your journey, and I hope you all the success with your Ecwid store. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.